This is a Power Style 2-pack, 120,000 lumens with a 3.6 volt, 5,000 milliamp battery that has a wide beam, narrows down to a square beam, a distance of 32,600 feet, 1,000 meters of shining power. It has 5 modes: high, medium, low, a flicker, and a SOS. It's a flashlight, military style. It's rugged, strong, IP65 that you go hiking, camping, and so forth. Comes in a nice case, and it gives you 2 little carrying cases, 2 flashlights, 2 batteries, along with AAA battery compartments that you can run this up to 12 hours and the minimum of a low beam. An instruction guide and cables. As we open up the back of the flashlight, there is the AAA connection. You take the battery, and when you put the battery in, it's going to flicker for the first time. And you lock it down. You can pull for the beam, you can rotate focus, and the COB lights right here, this will come off. And over here is the on and off switch down below right here. There's the beam on high, you can feel the heat, medium, low, flicker, SOS, and off. Now if you turn it on and you want to shut it off, do a long press for about 3 seconds and it goes off. This is the USB charging port. It takes a USB-C cable to charge up. About 5 hours, plug it into a power port, and it's got a blue light over here, 25, 50, 75, and 100%. We're gonna just disassemble this for you. The bulbs don't come out, they're permanent, so you can see what the bulb looks like, and place this back on. We're going to charge up the unit so you can see the lights blinking. Put it underwater in the rain. You can see the unit stays dry. Turn it on, and it works. The flashlight goes in facing up. Got a strap that it locks on. Put it through your belt. Put it over here on any other thing in case you don't want to use the belt strap. Put it on your backpack, etc., etc. We'll show you what this looks like outside, give you an idea of the beam, and I hope you enjoy your flashlight. If this is something that you're looking for, that is strong, solid, pulls out, focuses, does a great job, lasts up to 12 hours, it's got a COB light, 1,000 times over you could charge the battery. I hope you enjoy your product. Check out the night scene. We have both flashlights out. They're 120,000 lumens. The battery is a 3.6 volt, 5,000 milliamp. On low, they'll last up to 12 hours. We're going to shine one of them right now. You can see a nice square light, and shine the other a nice round light. As we press the second one, it's medium. The third one, low. Then they both flicker, and they both go SOS and off. Now, when I do shine them this way, right, I give a long press, I can shut both of them off. The square beam can go 3,260 feet. That is the distance, 1,000 meters throwing. And that's all the way at the building right there. Let's look at the sky. It throws a nice beam up there. So imagine if you're in a pitch black area. We'll take the beam and we'll widen it up. They're sturdy, they're strong, they're made of aluminum, and they're waterproof. They could go in the water. You could put them in the pouch, put them in the carrying bag they give you, and do a lot with these flashlights. Enjoy your product if this is right for you. It's got a nice case, a nice handle. Store everything away for the next time you need to use.